Morning Year 5s, it's Wednesday and it is Maths Sheet 3, place value of decimals. So we'll have a little look at the do now, which remember, lots of things we've done over the past. So I'm just going to slide that back and we'll have a little look at this together. Right, so, first one, show 3/4 as a decimal. Well, 3/4 as a decimal should be fact by now. 1/4, 2.25, a half, 0.5, 3/4, 0.75. Order these in descending order, and I'm going to come back to this one. Look, so for this one here, I've put a mixture on this time. So we've got percentages, decimals, fractions. Always stick with one. Either make them all fractions, make them all decimals, or make them all percentages. Okay. Some of you may be able to look at that and just sort it, but a lot of you will have to convert them. A lot of you have said you prefer working percentages because then it is just the whole number. Some of you like working with fractions, decimals. It's up to you. I personally would change into more percentages. So that one's 45%. I'd change that one to 44. That one to 23. 1/5, we've had it every day. That's 0.2, so 20%. Half, 50%, 70%, and then 3/4 should be 75%, as you worked out from above there. So if you put them all to percentages, you should be able to put them in order. Okay, but it's just you're ordering the numbers. Dave has been to a fifth of football stadiums in England. Mary's seen 24%. What fraction have they seen in total? Well, again, 1/5, 0.2, so 20%. So 20 out of 24, that's 44%. Divide by known facts. We've got 48 divided by 8. Read the inverse. Something times 8 is 48. That's going to be 6. 24 divided by 100. Don't forget, you've got your little decimal. Every whole number has a decimal at the end and then infinite zeros. So divide by 100. 1, 2. So it should be 0.24. And then 42 divided by 6. Read it backwards. 7 times 6 is 42. Up here, 9 squared, 9 times 9, 81. 3 cubed, remember, is 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Times that by 3 is 27. So your answer should be 27. Show the factors of 18 and the prime factors I'm going to do on the sheet. Just to remind us all. So, I'll do it here actually, to be fair. So, find the factors of 18. That's your factor frisbee. So there's your 18. So, go in logical order. Start with 1. 1 times 18. 2. Yes, it's even, so it must be 2. 2 times 9. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so no. 5. No, because it doesn't end 5 or 0. 6. Got it there. So we're done. As soon as you've got to a number you've already done, you are done. Said done a lot there, sorry. Right, prime numbers of 24. Prime factors of 24. So, start on 24. Any way you can make 24 with multiplications will work with this. So you could go 6 times 4, you could go 2 times 12, you'll get the same answer. Let's go 6 and 4 today. Neither of those are prime because you can do 3 times 2. They're both prime now, so I'll stop there. 4 is 2 times 2. They're prime, I'll stop there. So it's 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. There you go, okay? Your actual task today, very similar to what Monday was, just with decimals. So I'm not going to go through that other than remind you to always start on this number, okay? So if you want to add 0.1 or a tenth, just look at your place value, so it becomes 4.607. Then when you want to add 0.5, look at the original number. Oh, if you add 0.5 to that, that takes you to the next one. So that's going to be 5.007. So a little step up from Monday, but the same concept. Okay. If you want the answers to all of those, everyone's got my email, and I can write it all out for you. But that's only if you're really, really stuck with this. But don't forget, start at each number. Okay? Brilliant work, guys. Fantastic.